What's going on, YouTube? We are back. Noah Collins with Rolling Racks right here. This morning we are on the chase for a bear. We have a little property that we've been hunting for the last couple days. We've seen some nice bear and we're gonna go chase them with dogs. So I hope y'all enjoy, stay tuned. I think this is gonna be a fun adventure. I will see y'all when we start rigging. Got a bear started, it's turned up the hill, and we got some dogs dumped on it. Just seen it cross the road. Couldn't get down here in time to get a good video, but seen it running up alongside the hill. Pretty cool. Well, not very conventional. Shot it, didn't kill it dead, and we had to turn some dogs loose on it. So, see what happens. Come on now. Got it down here baiting this drain. They came up, shot him again, and put the finish move on him. We just got done with our little photo op. All right, guys, so I'm back in the house. Just got back from bear hunting. Pretty fun adventure. I'm glad to bring y'all around with me on that. Plan on tomorrow, we're getting ready to go again. I'm bringing my bow, and hopefully we can get on a bear. I hope I can kill it for y'all. So that's the plan. I'm going to post this video tonight, get it uploaded, and then tomorrow I'm going to go out, shoot another video, and try to get a bear up a tree. It's going to be freaking awesome if I can get on one with a bow. So I'm super excited and just freaking ready to go in the morning. Bright and early, that's when we start, right at daylight. So it's going to be a chilly one, but Zach's heated cab is pretty nice. So I will see y'all in the next adventure. Rolling Racks is out.